Good morning, Baltimore. What's the first thing you do in the morning? It ain't drinking coffee. It's using the bathroom. You use a toilet. A toilet don't give you black, white, straight, or gay. A toilet take your shit every day. That's why I came up with the idea. Product merchandising. Yeah. It's advertising. Get the message out. I chose the toilet to do what I do, and I chose it in 2006. I can't shoot you, but I can shit on you. So this is how I do it. It's called political art and activism. I made my mother a promise that I wouldn't kill nobody no more, or put my hands on people, or be that person I was in 1986. So I changed my life. And y'all try to bring me back to being who I was, and you can't do it. Man. Revenge is the dish best served cold, and I'm serving it up 10 years old. I'm a whistleblower on the courts. I blew the whistle on the courts about the war on drugs, N62528, 1986. You feel me? That's why I use the toilet. So here we go. That's my birthday toilet. Flush. That's 1402 Lochner. I was kidnapped from my home in 2011 because I was fighting the war on drugs. That's GOP Carter. That's Vic Carter, that's Kai Jackson, that's WJZ. Y'all did the first story on me in 1997, a Maryland story. This is my lawyer. You go to my lawyer, Mr. Bailey, he participated in this. Like I said, I'm making a movie. This is a follow-up letter to the videotape and telephone calls. All right? And I got it on film. I videotaped it. Due process and equal protections under the law. And these are the people that know all about it. Because like I said, I was making a movie about the war on drugs. And the world is watching Baltimore, so I'm going to give them something to see. That's President Obama, Lisa Madigan, Patrick Fitzgerald, Director of the FBI. Y'all trying to criminalize poverty, being black in America, and nobody speaking up against it. That's the Notary Republic, 2010, long before I got locked up. This is my birthday toilet. Because we came up with the idea of making a movie about the shit that y'all do. That's 2014. We're talking about voter suppression by Governor Hogan, 2014. Talking about voter suppression by Donald Trump and the Republican Party. See that? That's my Community Verizon Award. That's Shorty, Dwayne Shorty Davis, Community Innovation. I do things in the community that nobody else does. And since y'all made me for toilets, I'm going to run with that shit. That's my birthday wish for my daughter, Sierra Davis. All right, thanks for letting us. You feel me? This is the birthday toilet. Because the toilet is a strong and a powerful tool. Jesus had a cross. Martin had a dream. Malcolm got a gun. Shorty got a toilet. We all got our shit to deal with. And y'all got to deal with this. That's the Baltimore Brew. Fern Shin got this, and Fern Shin got evidence of my innocence. And Fern Shin is going to be called as a witness. That toilet I put in front of the school board was about the money and the corruption in the school board. I worked there at the school. I did the asbestos and lead removal. You talking about the criminalization of poverty. We talking about the lead, the asbestos, and the mold you had in the schools. I did asbestos and lead removal. I was a project manager. You can Google search GSA versus TMP Engineering. I blew the whistle on TMP Engineering. It saved the state of millions of dollars. It was subcontractors doing subcontract work. I asked Fern Shin. That's the toilet. And that's the toilet. I got a nonprofit. I established a nonprofit in 1986. That nonprofit was established by Corrine Davis and Dwayne Davis. All right? When I stopped selling drugs. That's a court order right there. Not a court order, but it's a criminal complaint. That's 2007. Because like I said, I was kidnapped for making this movie. That's 2007. That's a diary, a Jailhouse Diary. And that's June 21st, 1986. That's Dwayne Davis, Benny Starks. Yeah, you see that? You kidnapped the non-profit organization. I was found innocent of all charges in 86. I was found innocent of all charges in 2011. But I still got to go about this kidnapping in 2007. I didn't ever get a trial. Here go the tapes. We're talking about the town hall, community in crisis, your voice, your future. Well, here go the tapes. Here go the tapes. It's that golden time of day. And y'all getting ready to get the golden toilet. It's art and activism and product merchandising, because I'm getting ready to sell toilets. This is to prove I was making a movie, all right, about your judicial system. That's Senator Cardin's, everything that Senator Cardin's got, everything President Trump got, y'all got to turn over. I'm an independent filmmaker. I'm an artist. I'm an activist. I'm a community leader. I'm a grandfather. I'm a father. I'm a parent. I'm an uncle. I'm a cook. And I'm getting ready to cook you up. Product merchandising. Y'all made me famous for shit. I'm getting ready to sell this shit. Yeah. This is going to the state's attorney's office. That's the office of the Supreme Court. Either we going to the Supreme Court or we going to the grand jury. I was kidnapped by the state because I blew the whistle on you on February the 2nd, 2011. That's the time stamp, all right? That's the state's attorney's office. That's criminal law, Article 3, 501. Any person not to make a cause or made statement, report, or complaint, a person of false, you feel me? A false police report. And you got that, all right? That's criminal charges for kidnapping in Scott Shellenberger in 2011. You got that. It's making a movie and a documentary. Here it goes, 2007, Falls Road, Davis versus Illinois. In reply to your submission, referred to the Office of the Chief Justice, April. All right. It's a writ of certiorari under Article 3 of the Constitution. So we're going to take this external hard drive, these tapes, everything from the FBI while I was locked up. All right. You see who we got it from? The Baltimore Sun? Baltimore Sun had this. That's my lawyer. Y'all made me famous for toilets, so we're going to run with that. That's the Constitution. That's Mayor Brandon Scott. That's President Biden. That's the rules of the Supreme Court. That's April 2017. Judge Cox, grand jury. All right. Grand jury, Scott Shellenberger, destroyed evidence. Right here. Whoever having knowledge of the actual commission of a felony cognized by the court or United States conceals it, does not as soon as possible make known to the same judge as a person, that's 3 years in jail. That's 2009. That's me, 1402 Lochner. That's President Obama. All right. I'm sending this to you. That's Scott Shellenberger. Scott Shellenberger had all this. You feel me? Scott Shellenberger had all this. And that's President Obama. And that's the toilet you locked me up for. That's my store on Falls Road. That's my property. That's my family you stole me from. That's Judge. So I went city, county, state, and federal levels. That's Governor Hogan. That's Delegate Sheila Roof. That's Brian Frost. When I put that toilet, we was talking about Monopoly. Now we're talking about the Cheaters Edition. I'm manufacturing toilets. That's the white shorty. That's the black shorty. But we both playing with toilets. You see the shit? I'm selling toilets. And I'm playing with toys. We growing things here. It's a new growth and new development. And shit helps the shit grow. You feel me? This is the Cheaters Edition. Yeah. We're going to show Governor Hogan. We're going to show Brian Frost. We're going to show Mayor Brandon Scott. We're going to show Biden. And all of this is going to Marilyn Mosby. I want to access the grand jury under Senate Bill 374. I was kidnapped by the state because I was making a movie about y'all. And Luke Broadwater from the Baltimore Sun know. The same way that y'all went after Mayor Pugh as a whistleblower, I'm a whistleblower too. I'm a whistleblower in the Democratic Party. And you can't protect the party with your office. You got to do your job or lose your job. You feel me? Do your job or lose your job. Because you got next. We talking about the money in Baltimore City. You and your father, how y'all been stealing generational wealth and generational poverty. Scott Shellenberger, Supreme Court.